Welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading to one of the most exciting and fast-growing cities in northern England, Leeds. A city known for its modern skyline, its Victorian charm, its buzzing nightlife, and its welcoming spirit toward newcomers. If you're a new migrant who has just arrived in Leeds for work, studies, hospitality jobs, or to build a fresh chapter in the UK, today's video is made especially for you. We'll explore the most relaxing after-work spots, the best places to eat and unwind, top attractions, and the areas every newcomer should know. And just like always, we'll also share how Global Talent Connect Limited supports new migrants by connecting them with real job opportunities across Leeds restaurants, hotels, bars, and hospitality businesses. Let's dive in. Every newcomer's journey begins in the heart of the city, Leeds City Centre. Busy, lively, and full of shops, cafes, hotels, and historic buildings, the centre gives you the full introduction to what Leeds is all about. From the iconic Leeds Town Hall to the modern shopping streets and office blocks, walking through the centre after work feels energizing. The narrow lanes, the Victorian arcades, the street musicians, everything adds to Leeds' unique charm. Right nearby, Laynes Espresso is a favorite among workers and students looking for good coffee and something light to eat. And many hospitality staff you see working around this area, chefs, baristas, waiters, hotel workers, have actually found their roles through Global Talent Connect Limited, which helps new migrants start their careers with confidence. If you want everything under one roof, then Trinity Leeds is your go-to spot. Shops, restaurants, bars, cinemas, and street food corners fill this massive mall, making it perfect for after-work hours. The atmosphere feels alive every evening, with people grabbing dinner, shopping, or simply hanging out. Inside, Trinity Kitchen is always a good stop, offering rotating street food stalls with flavors from around the world. And for a stylish after-work drink, the Alchemist Trinity gives you rooftop views and a cool vibe. If you're staying temporarily and still settling into the city, Premier Inn Leeds City Center is one of the most convenient hotels nearby. For newcomers who prefer quiet moments and scenic surroundings, Leeds Dock is the perfect evening escape. Modern buildings, lights reflecting on the water, cafes, walking paths, everything here feels calm and refreshing. You can visit the Royal Armouries Museum for free, stroll around the docks, or simply sit by the water to clear your mind after a long shift. The popular North Star coffee shop offers great views and a warm, welcoming atmosphere. And if you need a place to stay nearby, Holiday Inn Express Leeds Armouries is directly connected to the area. These areas are the heart of Leeds student life, which also makes them perfect for newcomers looking for cheap food, lively cafes, and a young, friendly environment. Hyde Park is great for evening walks, picnics, or just relaxing in open green spaces. Headingley, just next door, is packed with pubs, bakeries, takeaways, and budget-friendly restaurants. Popular places include Hyde Park Book Club, LS6 Cafe, and the Original Oak, each offering its own unique atmosphere. Many migrants choose to live here because the rent is affordable and the transport links are excellent. Roundhay Park is one of Europe's largest urban parks, a huge natural escape right inside the city. Lakes, gardens, forests, wildlife areas, wide open spaces. It's the best way to reset your mind on weekends or after tiring workdays. Many migrants working long hospitality shifts visit Roundhay to unwind. You can enjoy the beautiful lakeside views, grab a light meal from the Lakeside Cafe, or head to the Roundhay Fox for a relaxing dinner. If you're new to the UK and still adjusting to expenses, you'll be grateful for Kirkgate Market. It's one of the biggest indoor markets in Europe, offering vegetables, fruits, meat, spices, baked goods, and daily essentials at very low prices. The street food section is a must-try, with Asian noodles, Caribbean food, Indian curries, Middle Eastern wraps, and fresh Yorkshire pastries. For newcomers who are budgeting carefully, this market will quickly become one of your regular stops. If you want to enjoy a calm but social atmosphere after work, the Calls Brewery Wharf are the ideal riverside spots. Historic buildings, glowing lights, and quiet waters make the area feel warm and relaxing. Popular places for dinner or drinks include Brasserie Blanc, the Adelphi, and Water Lane Boathouse, each offering a friendly setting to end your day. This area also has many restaurants and bars that regularly hire skilled hospitality workers through Global Talent Connect Limited, helping new migrants settle smoothly into the city's workforce. For newcomers who enjoy quiet spaces, creativity, and culture, the Leeds Art Gallery is a wonderful place to visit. It features both historic and modern art, and the gallery atmosphere feels calm and reflective. Right beside it, the Tiled Hall Cafe is one of the most beautiful cafes in Leeds, with tall columns, tiled walls, and a peaceful setting perfect for evening coffee. No guide to Leeds is complete without mentioning football, because in this city, football is everything. Leeds United Football Club, founded in 1919, has one of the strongest fan bases in England. Their home ground, Elland Road Stadium, sees thousands of fans every match, creating an atmosphere full of passion, history, and Yorkshire pride. Even if you don't follow football, experiencing Elland Road in the evening or on a match day is unforgettable. Nearby, Billy's Sports Bar and the Old Peacock are legendary spots for pre-match meals and drinks. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder. Starting a new life in the UK can feel overwhelming. New systems, new workplaces, new cultures. That's why Global Talent Connect Limited is here to support you. GTC helps migrants find stable hospitality jobs in Leeds, in hotels, restaurants, bars, cafes, and catering companies. They assist with job placements, guidance, and long-term support so new arrivals can settle confidently and start building their future in the UK. And that brings us to the end of our Leeds City Guide, what every newcomer should know. Leeds offers opportunity, community, culture, nightlife, and a welcoming environment for migrants starting fresh. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with someone moving to Leeds. Our objective is to provide valuable guidance to newcomers throughout the UK. Kindly share your preference. Which city should we highlight in our upcoming content? And if you're a migrant looking for job opportunities in the UK, get in touch with Global Talent Connect Limited. Your UK career journey begins with the right support. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next City Guide.